Hi everyone. Today I am going to discuss about DMA. DMA means direct memory access, and it is a feature of modern computer system to enable transfer the data between I/O devices to memory without using CPU. So, some basic terminologies are used. Some DMA terminologies are: first one, DMA channel. DMA channel is a pathway between the devices and memory. That is, the DMA channel is used to transfer data between memory and I/O devices. And the second one is DMA controller. DMA controller is used, it is a device, it is used to controlling the operations of a DMA. And next, for the DMA transfer, the CPU, during DMA transfer, the CPU is idle and has no control over memory buses. The DMA control takes over the buses to manage the transfer directly between the I/O devices and memory. For direct memory access or DMA process, there are two control signals are used. First one is bus request and second one is bus grant. The bus request is initiated by the DMA controller requesting the CPU to relinquish the control of the buses. So, after getting these control signals, the CPU relinquish the control of the buses, that is the control signals, address bus, data bus and the read write signals into a high impedance state, and the high impedance state means that the output is disconnected. After getting the bus request, the CPU initiate a bus grant signal. The bus grant signal inform the external DMA that the bus request can now take control of the buses and conduct the memory transfer of the without using processor. So, this is the diagram of the DMA access. So, the bus grant signal is issued to the bus grant signal, and here it is a bus request signal. The bus request signal is initiated by the DMA controller and bus grant signal is issued by the CPU. And on the right side there is an address bus, data bus and read write control signals. Then next, for the direct memory access, the DMA, when the DMA terminates, it disables the bus request and bus grant lines and that takes control of the buses and return to its normal operation. For direct memory access, it can be done in several ways, and the two methods are DMA burst and cycle stealing. Okay, then first DMA burst. For DMA burst transfer, the block sequence is continuously, it is consisting of a number of memory words and it continues burst while the DMA controller is matter of memory buses. And cycle stealing, for cycle stealing, it allows the DMA controller to transfer one data word at a time, after which it must retain control of the buses to the CPU. And for DMA controller, there are three registers are there: address register, word count register and control register. The address register contains the address of the desired memory location, and word count register, it stores the total number of words to be transferred, and the control register specifies the mode of data transfer. And this is a figure of the DMA controller. It has DS means DMA select, register select and read write control lines. On the left side we can also see that bus request and bus grant lines. After getting bus grant signal, it relinquish the control of the buses and the DMA can directly transfer the data from the I/O devices to memory. Thank you.